Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As you can see outside my window, it's been snowing, which is just perfect for the season. And I'm so excited to make one of my absolute Christmas favorites today, German spice Christmas cookies, or as we call them in Germany, Gewürzkugeln. Don't worry, you don't have to pronounce it correctly in order to enjoy them. These cookies are easy to make, super delicious, and this recipe gives you about 35 to 40 cookies depending how big you roll them. They also last for up to 6 weeks, which I find adorable because in my home they barely survive 6 days. They make the perfect gift for friends, colleagues, neighbors. Honestly, everybody loves them. Or you can just keep them for yourself. Seriously, no judgment. Alright, let's get baking. For the butter mixture, you'll need 200 grams of softened unsalted butter, 3 egg yolks, 100 grams of powdered sugar, 1 packet of vanilla sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoons of gingerbread spice and just a pinch of salt. To finalize the dough, you then add 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 30 grams of cocoa powder, and 125 grams of ground hazelnuts. And for the topping, you'll want some chocolate couverture and chopped pistachios or any other nuts you like. Feel free to experiment. Don't worry, your cookies won't complain. For the dough, take 200 grams unsalted softened butter, add the 3 egg yolks, followed by 100 grams of powdered sugar. Add 1 packet of vanilla sugar or a tablespoon of vanilla extract if you prefer. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of gingerbread spice and finish with just a pinch of salt. Mix it all well. I'm using a hand whisk here. It's perfect for getting everything creamy. Now, put a sieve on top of your bowl and add 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 30 grams of cocoa powder, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking powder. I personally go with 2 tablespoons, but you can adjust it as you like. Sift them into the butter-egg mixture. This makes the powders fall in neatly, nothing clumps together, and the dough stays light. Mix again for a few seconds, then add 125 grams of ground hazelnuts. Keep mixing until the dough has a rich, dark brown color and is slightly sticky. As you can see on my spoon, it holds together and is a little gooey, just like it should. Cover the dough with a piece of foil and chill the dough in the refrigerator for 1 hour. After the dough has cooled, we can start shaping the cookies. Roll small balls about 2 to 3 centimeters in size. The size is really up to you, and don't worry if they are not perfectly uniform. Perfection is overrated in baking, and it's okay if some stick a little. I finished the first tray, so let's move on to the second one, rolling the same size balls again. I placed 20 cookies on each tray. From this dough, I got 40 cookies altogether. Usually it's somewhere between 35 and 40, depending a little on the size. Now chill the rolled cookies in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Take the cooled cookies out of the refrigerator. Look at how nicely they held their shape. Now they are perfect and can go straight into the preheated oven. Bake with top and bottom heat at 175 degrees Celsius for 8 to 12 minutes. Take some chocolate couverture. For this recipe, I'm using dark and white chocolate, but feel free to pick your favorite. First, I'm starting with the dark chocolate. Cut off the amount you need. For 1 tray, I use about half a pack. Melt the chocolate in the microwave carefully. Start with 40 seconds, stir, then heat in short intervals until fully melted. A water bath works too, but the microwave is faster. Now that it's fully melted, we can start decorating our cookies. For the dark chocolate, I'm using whole pistachios. I cover each cookie with chocolate and place 2 whole pistachios right in the center. Then I repeat the process until the entire tray is done. I ran out of whole pistachios, so I used a few chopped hazelnuts instead. Still looks pretty, still tastes great, no rules here, that's part of the charm. Now the first tray is finished, so let's repeat everything for the second tray with the white chocolate. Same melting method, short intervals in the microwave, stirring in between until fully melted. For the white chocolate, I'm using chopped pistachios. I add a generous layer of chocolate on top of each cookie and sprinkle the pistachios over it. Then I keep going until the whole tray is covered. Look how nice the contrast is between the dark and the white chocolate. Once they've dried, the cookies look beautiful. And yes, they taste just as good as they look. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you liked the video, feel free to like or subscribe, and if not, it's totally fine. You're still allowed to eat the cookies. Thank you so much for spending this time with me in my kitchen. I truly appreciate it. Take care, and most importantly, enjoy your cookies.